Welcome back. Medical waste is burnt and disposed of in the open at Cansaulim Cortalim Health Centre. The officials and doctors have turned a blind eye to this grievous offence. It is the constituency of Forest and Environment Minister Alina Saldanha.
Have a look at this. The medical waste of the hospital is disposed of and burnt in open. And all this is happening in the backyard of the hospital. The officials and doctors are aware of the offence, but refuse to comment. Astonishingly, this is happening in the constituency of the Forest and Environment Minister Alina Saldanha. The patients have also complained of unhygienic beds and surroundings.
साफ होता है लेकिन वो सभी साफ होता तो अभी सुबह में क्लीन करना तो इतना करना नहीं आता ना।
तो ये साफ नहीं किया है लोग?
नहीं यार, आज तो मॉर्निंग में तो ये नहीं किया है।
When you see the dust on the bed, do you feel anything about it?
Whenever there is dust, we request our class 4 workers to clean it.
But right now there is dust. What do you want to say on this?
Yeah, I'll tell.
The hospital vehicle lies in a sorry state. It hasn't been used for years and now it is corroded. Now let's watch if Goa State Pollution Control Board will initiate action against the officials at the Cansaulim Health Centre. Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
A 2-meter-long python was caught by people from Kolkata area in Navali. People were alarmed after the python was seen wandering in the area. The python was picked up by the Wildlife Rescue Squad on Saturday afternoon.
The locals informed that incidents of python sighting have increased recently as their habitat has been invaded by development all around the area.
गावांत जायते आर आमी दोल्ल्यात पण आमी फर्स्ट टाइम मिडिया आपयल्या कित्याक कारण की इतले आर आमच्या विलेजीन आयल्यात आनी आमचे खोंब्यो दुखरां सगळ्यांक तांकां खावन फाड घातला.
Sadly, the python caught on Saturday wouldn't live more than a day after leaving his territory and habitat. Pratik Parab for Prudent.
Kolkata-based India Government Mint is to be blamed for the poor quality of Lusophonia Games medals. The unit of Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited manufactures medals and medallions for government events including Bharat Ratna Award. Director of Sports and Youth Affairs V.M. Prabhudesai is shocked over the bad quality of medals provided by Kolkata Mint for the recently held Lusophonia Games.
The glittering medals presented at the Lusophonia Games that concluded on January 29th have lost their luster. Some of the state athletes have returned the medals to the Lusophonia Games organizing committee. Not only this state of international medals is embarrassing for local authority, but it is also shaming the nation as the medals were manufactured by the India Government Printing Unit from Kolkata.
We have taken the matter very seriously. We have written to them. We have taken up the issue with the higher officers. In the morning also I spoke to an officer marketing, Ritesh Pal by name. He in turn was supposed to talk to his general manager and come back to me. But now in the last half an hour, my attempts to call him or discuss further with him have proved futile because he is not lifting the call. But the government is seized of the matter. I'm told that government has appointed a fact-finding team which will go into the procurement and we will take up the issue with Kolkata Mint very seriously.
221 gold-plated medals, 221 silver-plated medals and 251 bronze medals were procured for the Lusophonia Games. Luckily, the Lugok has not yet paid the price.
Thank God, Lugok has not paid a single rupee to Kolkata Mint so far. Their entire bill is pending for payment, and therefore I think we have upper hand in. Lugok has an upper hand as far as the whole issue is concerned.
Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Sushant Par for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.